Hey, what up, everybody? This your boy LC the One, LC the One to be exact. That is, hey, I can't do my normal intro the way I do it because this is a special video, a special alert video. As you can see, man, this is the disconnect from Red Dead Online 2 due to faults on Rockstar Game Services. This is an error code message that everyone is having a problem with currently. So I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to do a quick fix that will probably help your situation with your Xbox One or your PlayStation if you're gaming online. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get into the tutorial shortly with this quick fix. Okay, so it's been a big problem in the Rockstar game community. My cousin Coaster Nostra, you want to sub to his channel, you'll see him in my channel features. He is one of Rockstar Games' best gamers, and he made me aware of this issue. So I'm going to give you guys some quick tips on how to refresh your network, because that is the issue. You have to refresh your network in order to get your online services back activated on Red Dead Redemption 2. Red Dead Redemption 2. Okay, so you'll see all the links for everything in the description below. As far as for my cousin Coaster Nostra, he is a Rockstar gamer, and he is one of the top Rockstar online gamers on Grand Theft Auto 4 and 5 on the leaderboards. Okay, so we're waiting on Grand Theft Auto 6, and you'll see him shortly, but you'll see the link for his channel in my description below. So please go subscribe to his channel, and he can help you guys with some game tips as well. If you leave some messages once he start uploading clips on his channel. But I want you guys to stay tuned. I'm going to give you some real quick tips on how to fix this issue. So stay tuned, guys, for the next clip. You'll see it coming up shortly after this one. And also, if you guys are streaming online, and if you watch Twitch, you can follow me on Twitch. You'll see my information in the link below, the description below. If you guys want to follow me on Twitch, please follow me, and you can check out my gameplay clips when I do Red Dead 2 or any other games that I'm about to, start streaming more often, frequently, due to the new time that I'm gonna have from other issues that I had. Okay, so coming up in the next frame, there is an IP address that you guys can put in that'll help you. Okay, so this is the IP address right here. This is one of the IP addresses that you guys want to put in the IP network settings on your console, Xbox One, or your PlayStation. You will have to go to the network settings in order to refresh your internet service. Okay, so this is one of the IP addresses that you can put in the IP network settings. Here's another one. If that one doesn't work, this is the second IP address. So you guys want to put this IP address in. If the first one is not working for you correctly, put this IP address in your network settings. When I go through the step-by-step in the next video clip, you'll see exactly how to do it, and I'm gonna do it on the Xbox console. If you guys have a PlayStation, this should work as well. Okay, so you guys stay tuned and stand by for the next clip. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to enter the IP address into your network settings so you can refresh your network. So that probably give you a quick fix on how to get the Red Dead 2 error code message off your screen. So basically what you want to do is you want to go into your Xbox settings. Go to settings. Okay, so once you get the settings screen pulled, go into network settings. Click on network settings. Then you're going to see the menus. It's going to say set up wireless network, advanced settings, go offline. So you want to tab down to advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Then you'll see the IP settings, DNS settings, alternate MAC address, alternate port selection. Okay, so what you want to do is go into IP settings. Click on IP settings. Then you'll see two other menus, automatic, manual. Tap down to manual. Click on manual, and then you'll go into the manual, and then you're gonna start entering the IP address that you guys seen on the first part of this video. So enter that. So enter the IP addresses that you seen on the first part of the video, and then from that point, you want to back out of everything. Power your Xbox down or the PlayStation. So you want to turn the Xbox off. So we're going to turn the Xbox off. Okay, wait a few minutes. Now, by now you should have powered it back up after waiting a few minutes. So now that you have powered the Xbox back up or the PlayStation, you want to go sign back in. Okay, sign up to your profile. Okay, so now we're going to try to go to Red Dead Redemption. So Xbox, go to Red Dead Redemption 2. Xbox, go to Red Dead Redemption 2. Okay, so from this point, we're going to try and go into the online and see if the gameplay works. So I'm going to actually try to go to an actual online session, and we're going to try to play, and you should be hearing my audio over the voice, over the actual gameplay clip. So give me a second, I'll come right back, guys. Okay, guys, now that we have actually did all the IP settings and then refreshed everything, shutting down the Xbox, so now we're going to try to go into the online for Red Dead Redemption 2 and see if we can get some gameplay. So let's go into my profile. Let's load the profile up, and we're going to see. If you guys followed the steps, it should work correctly. So we're gonna go right into the actual online and see if it comes up with no error code message. Okay, so now that we have made it to this part, it says Red Dead Online. So we're gonna actually try to go into free roam and see if we can get some actual gameplay. Okay, we're gonna go into free roam. We're gonna go into the free roam. So far so good. There's no error code message popping up on the screen. So we're gonna actually try to get some gameplay, guys, and if that works, you guys should be good to go. Let's give it a few more minutes, guys, to load up. And this should give you a quick fix on your error code message if you guys are having problems logging on to the online sessions on Red Dead Redemption 2. So far so good. Everything looks good so far. Just a few more minutes, guys, and we're going to get right into the gameplay. Okay, guys, if you made it to this point, then you have successfully refreshed your internet service and by entering the IP addresses, and now you should be able to play online with no problems. As you see, I'm online now. I'm actually in an online session. I'm in a free roam session, so you shouldn't have any problems, playing the online session. If you guys have any questions, please leave some comments in the actual link below or the description box. Give me some feedback on this video, if it did help you, if it did not help you. I'm on the Xbox One. This should help you as well on the PlayStation 4 if you guys are playing on PlayStation 4. So as you can see, guys, I am moving around in the free roam with no problem. I'm actually playing the online session for Red Dead Redemption 2. So you guys pretty much should have the same success right now if you loaded the IP addresses correctly, refreshed everything, and then shut down your system and rebooted it. So that's probably what's going on. You guys probably have to refresh your system and check your network by loading the IP address. So yeah, so far so good. As you can see, I'm on the online and everything is working pretty good, and we're riding around. So I need you guys to like the video, please comment on the video, share the video, and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get more updates on gameplay clips on Red Dead Redemption 2. And this is your boy LC the One to be exact, that is, aka Illmatic124, helping out my Red Dead community with this error code fix problem, and hopefully it's working for you guys.